Luigi Mangione will be in court in Manhattan tomorrow. The 27-year-old is facing both state and federal charges in the shooting death of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
Alice Gaynor covers court. She'll be at tomorrow's hearing. Alice, what are you hearing about what we can expect?
So there's a lot to go over tomorrow, and tomorrow's hearing is about his state case. He's pleaded not guilty to 11 state charges. The judge is expected to rule on some motions and could potentially set a trial date. We did speak with one legal expert who is not involved in the case. Luigi Mangione's defense attorneys have asked the judge to allow the 27-year-old to sit unshackled at the defense table to limit pretrial prejudice.
I think this is a bad week for Luigi Mangione to have a hearing, to tell you the truth, based on what went on last week. So I think this is a tough time to make a request by that.
He's referring to last week's assassination of Charlie Kirk. Legal expert Richard Schoenstein, who is not involved in the case, says footage of Mangione cuffed already exists.
We have that perp walk video that the mayor put out. He's been in court in shackles before. So I don't know the incremental harm of appearing at one status conference in shackles when there's all that footage already.
Following the December 4th murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, 27-year-old Mangione was indicted on 11 state counts, including terrorism. His defense attorneys want those counts dismissed because they argue they don't apply. Prosecutors argued back in a filing alleging the defendant's intent was to violently broadcast a social and political message to the public at large.
I think that's a hard burden of proof for the state to take on, but they're doing it to try to get to life in prison without the opportunity of parole. I do not think the judge will dismiss it at this point in the case.
Mangione's defense also requested more time to determine whether they intend to offer evidence to pursue a psychiatric defense.
It is a very big strategy question for the defense. So it's not surprising to me that they're taking their time deciding it. It is a big deal.
Prosecutors want the judge to order the defense to answer now. And defense attorneys also want evidence from Mangione's backpack suppressed, arguing its contents were obtained without a search warrant. Prosecutors deny those allegations. The defense is also requesting an evidentiary hearing, saying the Manhattan DA's office improperly obtained and reviewed Mangione's medical records. The DA's office also denies those claims. Christine? Jessica?
Alice, do you think that the judge will set a trial date tomorrow?
He's expected to, even if it's just a placeholder. Remember, there's the federal investigation, the federal case that's running parallel to this state prosecution. But as of right now, the state case is expected to go forward first. But the judge should set a date tomorrow, again, even if it doesn't hold.
Sure. Just get it in the calendar.
That's right.
Alice, thank you.
And there is a filing deadline regarding Mangione's federal death penalty case coming up at the end of this week. Then in November, Mangione has a court appearance in Pennsylvania where he was arrested. Keep it here with CBS News New York for continuing coverage.